Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Halloween kitchen decor ideas and a dash of spooky charm to your modern home, transforming the heart of your house into a festive and fun space. In recent years, Halloween decor has evolved beyond the typical pumpkin and cobweb motifs, offering fresh and stylish alternatives for the contemporary homeowner. One trend is the use of chic and sophisticated color palettes such as blacks, grays, and metallics, which provides an elegant twist to the traditional orange and black. These colors set the stage for a modern and sleek Halloween aesthetic. Incorporate subtle but array elements like black lace, table runners, ghostly dresser, and crystal ball centerpieces adds an air of mystery and enchantment to the kitchen. Open shelving allows for creative displays of Halloween-themed kitchenware such as skull mugs, spiderweb placement, and gothic candle holders, creating a striking visual impact. Lighting plays a crucial role in Halloween decor with the use of LED candles, string lights, and array lanterns provide a captivating ambiance. Clever and whimsical Halloween-themed kitchen gadgets and accessories like ghost-shaped cookie cutters and pumpkin-themed dish towels add a touch of fun of the decor. Ultimately, Halloween kitchen decor ideas for a modern home offer a perfect balance of style, spookiness, and playfulness, allowing you to celebrate the season in a way that complements your contemporary interior. These ideas make your kitchen a unique and memorable space for Halloween festivities and create a warm and inviting atmosphere for family and friends. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.